Hi dear all, good evening to all. My name is Sanjay and today I am going to share some of my views, some of my opinions, some of my thoughts regarding a very big personalities who were born as a zero and now they are billionaires. You will listen that so many examples about the persons who become a rich like Mukesh Ambani, Tata Birla, but there are very rare examples who born as a zero and become a billionaires. Yeah. Today I'm going to talk such personalities who were born as a zero and now they are billionaires, they are very rich persons. Not like other personalities who have already their family backing. Maybe you can take example about Tata, Birla, Ambani, Adani. Definitely they are very rich persons with each and every angle. But but they have very good family backing. Already they have good empire and just they make it multifold. You can say that they have 2 rupees and they make it at 10 rupees. But the persons who did not have nothing and who make a 10 rupees from zero, it is very difficult and he is a great persons from among them. So today I am going to talk about such a person from China. His name is Jack Ma, a founder of Alibaba.com. He is very rich person now. He is a billionaire. But when he was born in 1964, he was nothing. He born in a very poor family, very marginal family, not able to meet their both end at that time. He taken admission in a school, and you will not believe that. In 4th standard he get failed about 2 times, and about in 8th standard he get failed about 4 times. See, he was very average student when he was in a school. He don't know how to write the paper, how to grab the school education, but he has a very big passion. At that time, when he was 7 years old, 7 or 8 years old, he has very big passion about to learn and speak English, because at that time in China, nobody speak English, nobody knows about the English. Everything they have in their own language, Chinese language. So he has a very big passion. Why not we learn English? For that, to pursue his passion, he worked in a hotel at the age of 7. He worked as a tourist guide and slowly he grabbed a knowledge about the English. He grabbed how to talk English in a fluent way. Then anyhow he completed his school education and now it's time to get admission in a university. Again, as he was very average student, not so much brilliant in a book, he get failed for 4 times. He not got admission in a good university in China. So anyhow he managed to take admission in a very marginal or very average university, that is teachers university, and he make his graduation in a English subject. Then he become a teacher and work as a teacher for some years. While teaching, he makes some friends, maybe some outside of China also, some of the US friends also. And during this period, he come to know about the internet. Before that, after finishing his graduation, he tried to get a job somewhere else. Like he tried to get a job. He tried about 30 times almost. But every time he get fail in an interview. He not knows about the theory or something like that. He not able to fulfill the expectation of the person who take an interview. So you will not believe that in a KFC at that time, KFC started its business in a China. He applied there. Total 24 candidates applied for KFC and Jack Ma among one of them. 23 candidates were selected except Jack Ma. He feel very nervous at that time. Only Jack Ma was not selected for that interview and he not got that job. But he has a very good passion to speak English, to know about the internet, computer. So he has very big curiosity. When he meet his friend, tell him about internet, and they told him that you can find anything, on the internet. Just type that word and you get that information. So as a curiosity, Jack Ma typed one good name that is very famous. He want to know the information about the beer, BEAR. But he got the information about the Australian beer, he got information about the American beer, he got information about the Britain beer, but he did not get any information about the China's beer. He gets surprised. How it is possible? We have so many beer in our China and no any information in a Google or internet. Then he tried to know about the China country. He tried spelling China on the internet. He tried to grab the information. But again the same situation. He not get anything about the China country. He got information about all the other countries except China. Then he become crazy. He thought that we have such a big country and we don't have any information on the internet. It is very crazy thing for him. So on that day, he clicked in his mind that why not we prepare some website, something such that Chinese people get more information about their country, about the world. So he, with his friend, he make one website, and he give that website name as Ugly, UGLY. And you will not believe that within 4 hours, his friend tell him that, look China, we got 4 mails from Chinese industrialist. When he read that mail, the Chinese industrialist becomes so happy that somebody from them make website on internet. And they want to know that who is this Jack Ma? Can he help them in an industry with this website as a internet or software? Then his confidence is built up. Then he never looked back. He formed a small company, a Chinese international commerce company like this in 1998. But within 1 year, he get fed up the working culture of his friends, and he started his own company called Alibaba.com. And his future is changed. Slowly he got some big investor for this company, and within 3 years he became very famous in China. He became so famous that he become a big competitor of eBay, Amazon, and other such companies, online marketing companies. Now the Alibaba.com is such a big company. They have so many sister companies like Taobao, Alimama, and other so many companies who work for Chinese industries, who work for poor peoples of their countries, like banking solutions, online shopping solutions, and so many business. Especially work for business to business, business to customer, customer to customer. In this way, they built up so many such companies and increased their surroundings with these companies. And now the situation is such that Alibaba.com is the world's biggest company. It comes in first 10 companies in the world as a profit-making company, as a revenue. It's a billionaire, having about more than 57 billion dollar revenues, and Jack Ma himself is the richest person in the world, among the richest person of the world. He has his own income is about 43 billion dollar, and Mukesh Ambani is about 53 billion dollar. So he is very close to Mukesh Ambani. So from zero, when he was born, he was zero, and now at the age of say 64, 65, he become very rich person in the world due to only his passion, his curiosity, and his hard work to give up. So Jack Ma is such a person. He is like among us. Many people say that we don't have family backing, we don't have proper money to invest, we don't have and blah blah. So many excuses they put forward and not do anything. For them, Jack Ma is a very good example. That's why Jack Ma always said that don't give up. Please don't give up. Maybe today is not good for you. Tomorrow will be worse. Today will be hard. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But day after tomorrow will be sunshine for you. Day after tomorrow will be so good for you that you will be fly in the air. So don't give up in between. Just put your effort for your work honestly, and you will sure you will get a advantage, a success one day. And keep it on. This is the message, or this is the thing I want to say to you all with this biography of Jack Ma. Hope you like it. Thank you very much. Bye.